Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and I have a paper haul for you. Items from Joann's and from Michael's. I am getting ready to work on some more Valentine projects, as well as start some spring junk journals and finish up strawberry shortcake journals that I'm working on right now. So these papers are from Joann's. I was in search of more Valentine paper because I had picked up one of the pads from Michael's, but I used it up, and so I don't have any Valentine paper for some just projects I want to work on, not junk journals. And so I went to Michael's. They didn't have any Valentine paper that Hot Buy left, or any other paper pads that, you know, that are specifically Valentine's Day. So I went to Joann's, and they were having their 12 for $2 on the single sheets of the paper. So I found these really cute papers. This one, most of these are American Crafts. A couple of these are like the cardstock, the solid color coordinations or whatever. Yeah, coordinations. So this one here is one of the cut aparts. These papers here, the American Crafts, are all the thin paper, so you would need to use them as decoration, or, you know, add them to a cardstock to make them thicker. But I just thought this sheet was super cute. I had even found some of this paper at another Joann's they didn't have, that had these the strawberries and the pears or lemons on them, but they didn't have, it was like a whole page of them, and it coordinated with this, but they didn't have it at my Joann's here, so I didn't pick that one up. I already used the other one that I had. So anyways, they have this sheet, and then they had these 3 cardstocks here that I thought were really well with it, that were the coordinations, and then these are American Crafts as well. They don't necessarily go with it, but I thought they worked well with it. So this one that says love, and then the XOXOs, and the little pink hearts, and then this one is the bigger red hearts. And then over here, I am getting ready to release 2 more strawberry shortcake journals, and I'm going to do them in more of a pink. It will be pink and red, but the main focus will be pink. So I have some pink with white polka dot fabric I'm going to use, and then I have this paper now. And I use this in my other strawberry shortcake journals. It's just really cute, and that's American Crafts. The polka dot is the coordinations. For my spring journals, Easter and just spring in general, I have these really cute papers. I'm going to be doing a duck themed junk journal, so I found these. Thought they would work well together, a gingham and polka dot and the ducks. And then for my Easter junk journals, I thought these all would work together. So super cute. I really love this one. That was just adorable. And I'm not sure if you can see, but this has little white bunnies, and I thought that was really cute. I think this goes with like a little girl baby theme, but I just got it for the rabbits. I thought it would be cute. And then at Michael's, I just picked up 2 paper pads. This one is the Spring Posies, and it's one of the new Hot Buys, and I picked them up. I believe right now they are 70% off, so that makes them $5.99. And I just thought this was really pretty. So I'll do a flip through here. It's a floral. This one's super pretty. Make today beautiful. And this one with flowers and that hexagonal shape. guess it says, yeah, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. Geometric shape, I should say. And then here's another floral print. Kind of a watercolor, really pretty. And then this one here. A geometric pattern. That's gorgeous. I love that one. And here's one with little butterflies. And then another one of these, you've seen them probably at, I don't know, in all the stores in the little, they're kind of like little candle holders, but then you could put flowers in them or whatever. I just thought those are really pretty. This one's gorgeous. And here's a cut apart. Lovely and free. Hello, darling. That's really pretty. There's another geometric pattern. And a floral. Here's the second cut apart page. Just love this. Find beauty in everything. I love that. And then here's a little bunny. I thought that was really cute. So these would be really cute for Easter. Spring. Another geometric pattern. And then the big page, have yourself a good time. It's really pretty. There's another butterfly page. And a full page there. That's really pretty. Coordinating tiny flower page. That's really pretty. I love that. And then here is the cut apart strips page, and this is super cute with the little bunnies in there. I love that, and that bunny strip. Another floral page, and then down here it says find beauty in everything. It's really pretty. Like that one. Here is a watercolor wash with little butterflies, and that is the last page. Alright, so I found that, and then I am getting ready to do a swap with a friend on Facebook, and she wants to do a unicorn swap, so I found this cute paper pad. I believe it was, I think it was normally $10 or $12, but then I used the 50% off on it. And it's the 5.8 inches by 8.8 inches. So we're gonna do a loaded envelope, so I didn't need the full page, but I thought this would be cute to do. Really pretty, lots of gold foiling in here. That shape again, or the, you know, the geometric. That's super popular, I guess. Really pretty. There's that one. I think almost all these pages have the gold foiling on them. There's that. Rainbow, or clouds with the stars. There's a cut apart. That one. Fantastic. Keep dreaming. Living the dream. Ooh, wow, lots of gold foiling on that page. It's all gold foiling. That one. Here's some journaling bookmark. That's kind of cool. Some cut aparts there. Journaling cards. More journaling cards and cut aparts. So that one, sprinkle your magic everywhere. So pretty. There's that one. That's the border strips, and I think that's the last one. Yep, that's the last one. All right, so that's what I have this week for my paper haul. Check out my Etsy shop because I do have Valentine items in there, junk journals, paper clips, little memo books. I also have some other junk journals in there, so lots of things to look at. Be on the lookout for a couple new strawberry shortcake journals to go up in my shop, as well as little mini journals that I'm working on. And then after that, I will bring in my spring collections. So I hope you have a great week. Like and comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.